So today we're going to have the traditional pancake breakfast. This pancake only uses 4 ingredients. So we have 1 cup of flour, all right? So we have to use the special flour. Let me get it for you to show you. So we use Pillsbury, but you have to make sure it is self-rising flour, okay? So with self-rising flour, you don't have to add any baking powder. If you don't have self-rising flour, then for every cup of flour used, you need 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So this already has the baking powder. So what we did is we used 1 cup of flour, self-rising flour. We shifted the flour through a strainer, so now it became really thin. The other 2 ingredients are a cup of milk and 1 egg and some butter. So what we're going to do is we're going to crack the egg in here. And you're going to add 1 cup of milk, whole milk. So, and now we're going to whisk it. This is your pancake dough. What you have to do is you have to check for the consistency. This is a little bit not enough consistency, so you just add a little bit of flour. Not much, just a little bit more flour. The consistency you want is when you go like this, that it's a little bit thick. So it's getting there. So it's between a cup and a quarter of flour. You just use your judgment. A little bit more flour. Also, if you notice, we already cut some blueberries, some bananas. You can put some walnuts on top. You can put some cinnamon, some nutmeg. Now we're getting there. So this is the consistency we want right here. Okay. You can see how nice and thick it is. So now we're going to head over to the stove. We're going to preheat some butter. That's the 4th ingredient. And then we're going to show you how to put it all together, make a nice presentation. Now, what we did was we put some butter here. Wait till it melts. Spread it really nicely all over the pan. And you want it like about 6, 7. And this is the dough. So remember, we added a little bit more flour, but this is the consistency. So what you want to do is you want to wait till the butter is bubbling. See, it's slowly starting to bubble. And then you want to take your this is 1. I'm going to try and get 3 pancakes in this. So we got 3 pancakes. Make the heat high a little bit here. So you don't want the pancakes too big. You see they're moving. Now a good idea is to preheat your oven, and if you're going to make 20 or 30 pancakes, make your batch, put them on a tray, place them in the oven at 250 so they will stay warm while you're making the other ones. Now we're going to flip the pancakes. Wait a little bit longer. Now, once you flip your pancakes, you can do a couple of things here. If you want banana pancakes or whatever, you can throw your bananas on top. You can put your blueberries in there, in the batter, and cook them. I personally don't like it. I like to have my blueberries on top. I'm going to make the heat a little bit higher here. Now, you want them to be golden, but not burnt. And you can see they're cooking. We're going to flip them a little bit here. And just wait till they get a little bit grilled. So you'll notice that while we were making the pancakes, we did not add any sugar in the pancake mix. That's because sugar in the pancake mix, then you add syrup, and then you add fruits, it might be too sweet. So you're better off starting with pancakes that are not sweetened, and then you put your syrup, you put your butter. If you want to sprinkle some powdered sugar on top of it, that's fine. So this is our second batch here. Let's flip these, see how they're doing. Yeah, a little bit more. So what we're going to do is we arrange them right here. Okay. Flip it. Now, some people like to put a piece of cheese and some bacon and then put it on top. So you can have an egg and you can have a cheese and pancake, bacon pancake, and plenty of different things. Add walnuts. You can add whipped cream, whatever you like. So now we're going to take this one right here. We're going to just put it like this here. Okay, so now once you're done, what we're going to do next is we're going to sprinkle some bananas right here. Sprinkle some fruits around here. And then you want to take the butter and just coat I'm going to finish by adding all the fruits here. And of course the finishing touch, real good with lots of butter. Let the butter soak in here, mix it in here, and then our maple syrup. We're going to open up our maple syrup, so this is a brand new one here. There we go. And Jemima, and you just want to so this is our 6 pancakes. You can take a look here how nice it is. Notice we also have some more pancake mix made left over. So another great idea is you can make your pancakes, finish whatever you're not eating, put it in a Ziploc bag, put it in the fridge next morning, put it in the microwave, and you can make yourself the exact same plate. This is one of my favorites when I'm on my cheat day, and as you can see, it's great. The kids love it, easy to make. So just remember, 4 ingredients: flour, a cup and a quarter flour, 1 cup of milk, egg, and butter. So you mix the, I'm going to go over it again. You just mix the flour, the egg, and the milk in here. adjust it so that you have a nice consistency, so that it's like this here. Okay, make your pancakes, add the butter, melt butter over, put your fruits, nutmeg. It would be nice to sprinkle a little bit of walnuts and just enjoy it.